Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some thrilling updates in the world of smartwatches, and it looks like Samsung is making a major move by reviving a fan-favorite feature. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is officially making a comeback, bringing back the iconic rotating bezel that many users have longed for. But that's not all. Samsung is also rumored to introduce a game-changing new feature that could completely transform the smartwatch industry. Let's dive into all the exciting details. The return of the rotating bezel. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. For years, Samsung's rotating bezel has been a defining feature of its smartwatch lineup. However, in an unexpected move last year, the company discontinued the Classic model and instead introduced the Galaxy Watch Ultra, a premium smartwatch aimed at competing with Apple's Watch Ultra. While the Ultra model boasted superior battery life, a rugged design, and enhanced durability, it lacked the highly intuitive rotating bezel, a feature many users, myself included, found extremely practical. Navigating through menus using a physical dial is a smoother and more precise experience than swiping on a touchscreen. Recognizing the demand, Samsung has listened to user feedback and decided to bring the Classic model back in the form of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. This isn't just speculation. A recent GSMA database listing has confirmed the model's existence. So, if you've missed the satisfying spin of the rotating bezel, you'll be thrilled to know it's officially making a return. What about the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? This brings up a big question. What happens to the Galaxy Watch Ultra lineup? Will Samsung release both the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the Ultra 2 at the same time? There are two likely scenarios. Samsung could launch both models together in July, alongside the standard Galaxy Watch 8. Samsung may stagger the releases, pushing the Ultra 2 to next year. Given Samsung's historical release patterns, they tend to alternate between Classic and Ultra models, making it more likely that the Ultra 2 will launch in 2025 rather than this year. For those eagerly waiting for an Ultra successor, patience may be required. However, the Watch 8 Classic's return is big news for users who have missed its signature design and premium features. Revolutionary innovation. Non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. Beyond design upgrades, Samsung is reportedly working on what could be the most revolutionary health feature in smartwatch history. Non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. This technology is considered the holy grail of health tracking, allowing users to check blood sugar levels without painful pricks or test strips. Last year, there were rumors that Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra might introduce this feature, but it didn't cut. However, recent developments suggest that Samsung has made significant progress in this area. A senior Samsung executive recently hinted at a breakthrough, suggesting that this technology could be integrated into the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic or a future model. If Samsung succeeds, this would be a monumental development for diabetes management, giving users the ability to track glucose levels effortlessly. The competition is heating up as Apple is also reportedly working on similar technology for future Apple Watch models. If Samsung beats Apple to market, it could cement its place as the leader in smartwatch health innovations. Wear OS and Google's AI overhaul. The Gemini upgrade. Aside from hardware improvements, Samsung's smartwatch lineup is set for a major software boost thanks to Google's Wear OS updates. Google is rolling out a massive upgrade featuring a next-generation AI assistant, Gemini. What makes Gemini different? Unlike traditional voice assistants, Gemini is designed to be more conversational, intelligent, and context-aware. It will offer smarter responses, proactive suggestions, and deeper integration with apps and services. This means you can expect a vastly improved AI experience on your Samsung smartwatch. The best part? Older Galaxy Watch models will also receive this update, ensuring that more users benefit from AI-driven enhancements. When can we expect the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic? At this point, there are no official release dates, but based on Samsung's past launch schedules, we can expect major announcements in the coming months. Samsung typically unveils new smartwatches in July, often alongside its latest foldable smartphones like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. If history repeats itself, the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup should debut in mid to late July. The Ultra may not arrive until next year, following Samsung's pattern of alternating releases. Google's AI updates and Wear OS enhancements will likely roll out gradually, with some features becoming available later in the year. Final thoughts. A new era for Samsung smartwatches. Samsung's decision to bring back the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic with its beloved rotating bezel proves that the company values user feedback. The combination of classic design elements, cutting-edge health tracking, and AI-driven software enhancements makes the future of Samsung smartwatches incredibly exciting. With non-invasive blood glucose monitoring on the horizon and Google's AI upgrade transforming user experiences, Samsung is poised for a significant leap forward in the smartwatch industry. Whether you're a longtime fan of the classic series or someone looking for advanced health tracking features, the upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup is worth keeping an eye on. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.